we are just going to kind of revisit what a synonym is. We have had lots of vocabulary questions, dictionary style questions, and a lot of them stem from synonyms, like what is another word for this word, or what synonym helped you understand the word of blank. So I really just want us to dig the next couple days into synonyms and kind of what they mean and how they go together. And then tomorrow we're going to look at synonyms in another way. So today I have a little list for us here, and all I want you to do is on a whiteboard, or just for practice, I want you to create this little bubble here. And in this bubble, I want you to put like the word, pick a word, ordinary. And then I want you to see if you can find some of these words that are synonyms of that word and kind of fill in that bubble with them. Kind of look at decrease. We shrink it. Was there another one there that goes with decrease? So kind of just match up those words. And if you can't complete the bubble, that's okay. What I'm really wanting you to focus in on is how sometimes we don't look at words as meaning the same as another word. Fumble would be to, let's see, maybe grasp or capture would be a synonym for that. You fumble it, if something's dangerous. So kind of just go through and put some words together that you think kind of match and kind of have similar meanings. And that's all a synonym is. Words that mean the same. Not necessarily exactly the same, but the same. And we're going to do some practice with that this week. But today I just want you to take these words and see if you can find some synonyms either from this list or of your own to kind of practice that skill.